Hi, I'm Kunal Malhotra, a photographer and a content creator. So for last few days, I've been trying the all-new Canon M50 Mark II to see if this ticks all the check boxes to qualify as the ultimate vlogging camera. Let's find out in this video. For a content creator like me, video quality plays a very major role when it comes to video production, and this camera allows me to shoot videos at up to 4K at 24 FPS. Let's have a look at the sample. So here's a video sample straight out of M50 Mark II using the kit lens, and this is being shot at 4K. So here's the sample, how the video looks like, and you can shoot your YouTube videos or videos for social media in 4K using this camera. Now, who does not love shooting slow motion videos? So the M50 Mark II allows you to shoot at up to 120 FPS in HD and up to 60 FPS using the full HD resolution. Also, if you're a vlogger or a video creator, 4K time-lapse like this can help you retain viewer attention and take your video production to a whole new level. Now, if you're someone like me, you must be updated about the fact that platforms such as YouTube and Instagram, now they are promoting and supporting vertical format videos, and that is where M50 Mark II comes into play. You can shoot vertical videos directly out of this camera, and the best part is the video that you get through this camera can be viewed in vertical format and directly uploaded in vertical. Isn't that amazing? But wait, to upload your content on social media, you first have to transfer your content from your camera to your PC or mobile. You can do that using the Wi-Fi technology, which allows you to transfer your content to your smartphone and directly upload on social media. And you can also use the Bluetooth technology to shoot remotely and change few important settings on your smartphone screen, and you can even start and stop your recording on your screen itself. Now, talking about the autofocus performance on this camera, one word I have to say is, when there's dual pixel autofocus technology on any Canon camera, it has to be exceptionally good. And the best thing is now the Canon M50 Mark II supports eye autofocus in videos. So if you're shooting videos, or if you're vlogging, or if you're shooting your own videos at home, you can double check that your eye is in focus constantly while you're moving in the frame, like what I'm doing right now. And even if you're someone who's shooting behind the camera, you can always make use of the tap to autofocus to make sure to get the focus locked at the right time and on the right subject. Okay, so let's talk about this ultimate vlogging setup that you can see over here, which has this tripod grip and a microphone, and obviously the M50 Mark II. Starting with the tripod grip, this is multifunctional product that you can have for your camera. First of all, this can act as a tripod. You can use this as a tripod and keep your camera on any surface where you wish to make your videos or click images. And on top of that, you have pan and tilt movements over here. So by pressing the button over here, you can change the pan angle of your camera from this point, and using this button, you can change the angle of your camera. And that's not it, you also get a detachable remote control, and things get very interesting over here. So you can use this remote to remotely shoot your videos. Let's suppose your camera is kept at a distance. You can connect it via Bluetooth and then just press this button and you can start recording your videos and stop with the same button. Now over here is the Canon's own on-camera unidirectional microphone. Now when I say on-camera, it basically means you can plug and play this microphone, because the M50 Mark II has a dedicated 3.5mm microphone jack. And the best thing is you do not need any battery to power this microphone. Simply put this jack over here on this camera and you are ready to go and start shooting your vlogs and videos. Now, what if I told you using the Canon M50 Mark II, you can go live on your YouTube channel directly without any wires? And that's not all. You can also download the webcam utility software from the Canon official website and stream live on different platforms using this camera. So the quality that you get is much more higher in resolution as compared to a normal webcam. So that was my experience with the all-new Canon M50 Mark II. And to answer the question, yes, it does take almost all the check boxes for me to qualify as the ultimate vlogging camera in this price budget.